Let me talk to you. Who doesn't want more money in their pocket? Imagine what an extra income stream could do for your lifestyle. Well, if that got your attention, then you're in the right place. Welcome to the Fund&Grow channel, where we're all about helping you flourish financially. I'm your host, Zach Ritchie, and today we're diving into the top 5 side hustles for 2024. We have carefully selected these options because once you get them set up, they require little to no maintenance and can act as a true stream of passive income for you. We've sifted through mountains of data, and now I'm here to share these golden nuggets with you. Side hustle number 1, REIT. Now, what is an REIT? REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, is like a mutual fund for real estate. It's a company that owns different kinds of real estate, like apartments or offices or hotels. Now, when you buy shares in an REIT, you're investing in those properties without having to buy or manage them yourself. Now, what is the time invested needed for this type of project? Well, they don't take a lot of time to actually manage, because once you've picked which REITs to invest in and bought your shares, you just need to check in on them from time to time. The upkeep is basically keeping an eye on how they're doing and whether anything major is happening in the real estate market. So how do you get started with an REIT? Well, you can buy shares of an REIT just like you would buy stocks of a company, but it's a good idea to do some homework first. You want to look into different REITs, what kind of properties they own, and how well they've done in the past. With a little digging, you can find this information online, or you can just talk to a financial advisor. So what are the risks, benefits, and potential returns of this particular side hustle? Well, REITs can be a good way to make money from real estate without the hassle of owning the property. They usually pay out regular income from the rent they collect, and the value of your shares can actually go up over time. But remember, all investments have risks, and the real estate market can go down as well as up, and different types of properties, of course, have their own risks too. Always think about how much risk you're comfortable with before you decide to invest. So side hustle option number 2, start an online course. An online course can be a highly profitable side hustle. It involves creating a course around a specific topic you're knowledgeable in and selling access to this course online. Now, the beauty of this side hustle is that you create the course once and then you can sell it an unlimited number of times. However, it is a time commitment. Creating an online course can take considerable time upfront, as you need to plan, record, and edit all of your course material. However, once your course is live, then the time investment can significantly decrease, requiring only occasional updates and responding to students. So how do you get started? Well, to start an online course, you first need to identify a topic you are skilled in and believe that others are going to want to learn about. It helps if it's in an area where you already have credibility. For example, if you're a real estate investor of 10 plus years, hosting a course on how to invest in real estate for beginners would be great. Or if you're an expert web designer and you create a course on how to create a compelling website in 10 steps without any coding needed, those are ideas that are going to grab people's attention. Then you just structure your knowledge into digestible lessons. You can create worksheets or printables to go with the lessons, and there's plenty of platforms out there like Skillshare, Udemy, Side Hustle School. They all are options to host your course. And many of these platforms can even help you market your course once it's up and running. So now let's talk about potential earnings, risks, and benefits. So online courses can be extremely lucrative. For example, one course creator, Jasmine, reports earning $17,000 a month from their e-learning side hustle in addition to their job at Amazon. However, the success of the course largely depends on the demand for your topic and the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. It's also worth noting that online course platforms typically take a percentage of your earnings as a fee for using said platform. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a strategy where you promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission on any sales made through your referral. It's essentially helping other businesses sell their products online, which can be a lucrative side hustle if done right. Now, right off the rip, this option can easily become a big time investment. Initially, it's going to take considerable time to set up your platform, find the right affiliate programs, and create content. However, once this is established, the time investment can decrease, although regular content creation and promotion is still going to be necessary to drive traffic and sales. But how do you get started with this? Well, starting an affiliate marketing side hustle involves a few key steps. First, you need to choose a niche or area of interest. 2, you create the platform, such as a blog or social media account where you'll promote affiliate links. The next step is to join affiliate programs related to your chosen niche, providing details about yourself and where you'll be promoting their products. Now, what are the potential earnings, risks, and benefits? Well, affiliate marketing can provide a steady stream of passive income once it's set up correctly. The potential earnings depend on what your chosen niche is and the products you promote and how effectively you drive traffic to your affiliate links. However, success in affiliate marketing requires consistent effort and strategic promotion. It can take time to start earning significant income, so patience and persistence are crucial here. Now, in case you aren't already aware, Fund&Grow actually has an affiliate program that is free to join. We help entrepreneurs from all industries get the funding they need at 0% interest. So if you have any friends or family or have a following of entrepreneurs or investors online who could benefit from this program, well, then you'd be a great fit to become an affiliate of ours. Essentially, we give you everything you need to promote our credit stacking program, and we pay out anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per sign up from your referrals. So I'm actually going to drop a link to our affiliate program in the comments section if you want to learn more about that, or just directly sign up to become an affiliate. Side hustle number 4, digital products. Now, this option allows you to earn money by creating and selling items like ebooks or digital planners or graphic designs or even templates. Once created, these products can be sold an unlimited number of times without the need for physical inventory. So what's the time investment? Well, the time investment for selling digital products can be quite high initially, as you have to create the actual products. However, once the product is created and listed for sale, it can generate income with minimal effort, making it a source of passive income. So how do you get started? Well, to start selling digital products, you need to decide what kind of digital product you want to create. Should ideally be something you're both knowledgeable and passionate about. After creating your product, you can sell it on various platforms like Etsy or even your own website. So what are the potential earnings, risks, and benefits? Well, the potential earnings from selling digital products can vary greatly depending on the price of your product and how many you sell. Generally, selling lower priced items will generate more sales and be easier for the consumer to purchase. The benefits of this side hustle include the potential for passive income and the ability to work from basically anywhere. Now, the success of the side hustle largely depends on the quality of your product and your marketing efforts. And finally, side hustle number 5, dropshipping. Now, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where the seller doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has that shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly. In other words, let's say I'm a dropshipper and I have jeans for sale on my website. Once someone buys a pair from me at a slightly marked up price, I will then go to the third party, order the jeans from them, and have them shipped to the buyer while keeping the markup as the profit. So what's the time investment? Well, the time investment for a dropshipping business honestly varies. It may take some time to set up your online store, find the right suppliers, and market your products. But once it's established, it requires much less time to maintain because you don't need to manage inventory or even handle shipping. So what are the potential earnings, risks, and benefits? Well, the potential earnings from a dropshipping business can be significant, with the dropshipping market projected to be worth over $301 billion in 2024. The success of your business will depend on many factors, including the demand for your products, your marketing efforts, and your relationship with suppliers. Risks include supplier errors, inventory issues, and low profit margins due to high competition. Now, despite these challenges, the benefits of dropshipping include low startup costs and the ability to run the business from anywhere. And that brings us to the end of the top 5 side hustles of 2024 that are powerful opportunities to create some extra income. We hope that you found these insights valuable and inspiring. Whether you're drawn to the digital realm or crave hands-on creativity, there's a side hustle out there waiting for you. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, creativity, and some hustle, you can turn these side gig ideas into thriving ventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all of the latest tips, tricks, and trends for entrepreneurs. I want to thank you all for joining me in today's video. I'm your host, as always, Zach Ritchie, and I'll see you in the next one.